Hi y'all, this is Linda and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to make a crescent roll chicken roll up. And what you need to do is get a large chicken breast. I'm sorry y'all, I'm in so much pain with my back. And you cut it into 16 pieces like this. And this is one beaten egg. You put it into the egg. In here I've got 3/4 of a cup of canned French onions that I crushed, 1/4 of a teaspoon of seasoned salt. This is what that looks like. And a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and I mixed it up. Alright, now these crescent rolls, you cut each triangle in half lengthwise. You're going to make 16 out of them, and you're going to take the chicken out of the egg and roll it in your mixture, your onion rings and crushed onion rings and seasoned salt and flour. We'll put one in the wide end of the I don't know, my mind went blank. Excuse me. Of the crescent roll. Two. You're going to take them out of the egg wash one by one, and they're boneless and skinless chicken breasts. I didn't have a breast. I had some tenderloins, so I just did the best I could. But it should be about 1.5 pounds. Put them in the wide end. I'm hoping that's one. It might be two. Let me see here. Alright, when I get through doing this, I'll bring you back for the next step. Alright guys, I wrapped every one of these, starting with the large end of the crescent roll, and the little tail goes underneath. And with the rest of the breadcrumbs of the beaten egg, you brush it on top. Now I'm going to put some sesame seeds on here. I'm going to put them in a preheated oven at 375 for 12 to 15 minutes. And when they're done, I'll bring you back and we'll let Sammy taste them. Alright, we're back. I baked these in a preheated 375-degree oven for about 14 minutes. And they're done. I'm going to give Sam a couple of them. Now I sprayed this pan, but it didn't spray too well. So I'm going to move this. I let them cool. Whoop. And we're going to let Sam taste them.
Well, I'll sure do it. These are cute little appetizers, aren't they?
Yeah.
Let me take a bite.
Show them the chicken's done.
See the chicken's done in there?
There you go.
They're very tasty. They make perfect little appetizers. Pastry's very good, light, flavorful, and those seeds are good on it.
Those sesame seeds.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
And you can taste the, what is it? Onion rings in them?
Yeah, they're fried onion.
Fried
Onion rings.
They're very, very tasty.
You got anything else for us?
Well, this man and his wife were sitting around the house one Sunday, I think. She said, I'm going shopping. So he says, okay, go ahead. She went shopping, came back. He told her, he said, you know, I killed 5 flies while you were gone. 3 female and 2 male. And she said, well, how would you know the sex? And he said, well, the 3 of them were on the telephone and 2 were on a beer can. So I guess Linda wanted me to tell you all that.
It's one he's told before, but one of his cuter ones. Well, I hope y'all try this because it is good. And it's simple to make. You just roll it, put the chicken in the egg wash, and then roll it in the crushed up fried onion rings, French fried onion rings. You buy them that way, that has seasoned salt and flour in it. And then you divide your crescent rolls. You have 8 in there. You divide them lengthwise, each one, so you have 16. And then you, starting at the wide end, you roll it, the chicken piece up, and you put it on a sprayed baking pan with the tip of the crescent roll on the bottom. And then you bake it anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. But I will put the recipe in the show more section, so y'all can have it. Oh, you brush it with the remaining beaten egg, and then you sprinkle sesame seeds on it. And there it is. Oop. Let me see if I can get in. There it is. So I thank you so much for coming in today, and I'm sorry I complained about my back earlier. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every one of you. And until next time, which it will be a dessert, you all take care, and God bless every one of you.